Today we will show you how to assemble the AWR. These are all the components we need. There is a protective paper on the surface of the acrylic. You can tear off the protective paper. Control the servo shaft to rotate to the central position. The motors in this kit are divided into two types with opposite polarities. During installation, please be sure to distinguish their polarities. Fix the DC motor and part A02 to part A01 with 4M3*30 screws and 4M3 nuts. This component is not symmetrical, so please be careful to identify the mounting surface of the part. Use 2M2.5*8 screws to fix 2M2.5*21 copper standoffs to part A01. Fix the part B01 to part A01 with 2M2.5*8 screws. For ease of distinction, we can name the assembled components as number 1. Using the same method, install the parts on another A01 component. For ease of distinction, we can name the assembled components as number 2. These sets of parts should be installed separately on the opposite sides of their respective A01 components. Fix the camera module to part B02 with 4M1.6*10 screws and 8M1.6 nuts. Fix the rocker arm to part B03 with an M2.2*6 tapping screw. First, snap part B02 and part B03 into the corresponding slots of assembled part B01 respectively, then use 4M3*12 screws and 4M3 nuts to fix them. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to assemble the servo to part A03. Connect part A03 and part B02 together using an M2.5*10 screw. Use 4M1.6*10 screws and 4M1.6 nuts to fix the ultrasonic module to part A04. Fix 2 WS2812 RGB LED to part A04 with 4M2*10 screws and 4M2 nuts. Fix the 18650 battery holder to part A05 with 2M3*10 countersunk screws and 2M3 nuts. Use 4M3*8 screws to fix 4M3*11 copper standoffs to part A05. Fix the Adeept Robot Hat version 3.2 to the Raspberry Pi board using 4M2.5*21 copper standoffs, 4M2.5*6 plus 6 copper standoffs, 4M2.5*4 screws, and 4M2.5*8 screws. This kit does not include the Raspberry Pi, you need to purchase it separately. Use 4M3*8 screws to fix part A06 to assembled part A05. It has an asymmetric structure. Please pay attention to the relative position between the jack and the Raspberry Pi. Use 2M3*8 screws, 2M3*4 screws and 2M3*6 nylon standoffs to fix the 3CH line tracking module to part A06. Before securing, first pass the cable through this hole. Please connect the circuit correctly as shown in the following picture. The final assembly of the robot. When assembling the top of the robot, pay attention to the corresponding positions of the slots. Fix the robot components with 4M3*8 screws and 2M3*65 copper standoffs. Fix the front part of the robot with 2M3*12 screws and 2M3 nuts. Fix the robot components with 2M3*8 screws, 2M3*12 screws, 2B05 parts and 2M3*65 copper standoffs. Install 4 wheels onto the motor shaft.